Welcome to Zoom in Data. Today we're diving into one of the most in-demand skills in the Microsoft world, Power Apps. If you're preparing for a job interview, or planning to switch your career into Power Platform, this video will be extremely helpful. In this session, I will be covering the top Power Apps interview questions along with clear, easy-to-understand answers. Whether you're a beginner learning Power Apps for the first time, or an experienced developer revising core concepts, this video will help you strengthen your fundamentals from the ground up. So let's get started with the first question. What are collections used for in Power Apps? Collections are used to store data temporarily in memory while the app is running. They act like mini databases inside the app, allowing faster processing without repeatedly calling the server. They help reduce load on the data source by caching frequently used data, which improves performance and provides a smoother user experience. Collections also support offline usage, because they allow users to continue working even without internet, and later sync their work back to the server once connection returns. Example: a field inspection app downloads a list of inspection tasks into a collection in the morning. Inspectors can complete work during travel, even without internet, and the app syncs all updates back to the system when they return to network coverage. How do you filter data in Power Apps? Filtering helps show users only the information that is relevant to them, instead of loading the entire dataset. This improves clarity and makes the app easier to work with. Filters can be based on user role, status, date, location, or any condition. This ensures that different users see different sets of data depending on their responsibilities. Filtering is a key technique to improve performance because it reduces the amount of data transferred from the server to the app. Example: a task management app displays only the logged-in person's active tasks instead of showing the full company list. This reduces confusion and allows employees to focus only on their own responsibilities. What is the difference between Search and StartsWith? Search looks for text anywhere inside a column, which is useful for broad matching but usually slower and not suitable for large datasets. StartsWith checks only the beginning of a word, which makes it more efficient, faster, and often the preferred option in business applications. StartsWith is better for apps that handle tens of thousands of records because it works efficiently with data sources without performance issues. Example: in a large customer directory app, StartsWith is used so that typing SA immediately shows all names beginning with SA, such as Sanjay, Samir, or Sarah. The app responds instantly even with thousands of names. How do you update multiple records at once in Power Apps? Many business scenarios require updating several items together, such as approving multiple requests or marking multiple tasks as completed. Power Apps allows users to select multiple records and apply a single action to all of them, improving efficiency and saving time. This is especially useful in apps with high-volume activity where users cannot afford to update records one by one. Example: a manager reviews employees' timesheets for the week. Instead of opening each record separately, they select 10 pending entries and approve them all with a single action. How do you customize a gallery control beyond default templates? Galleries can be customized by adding images, icons, star ratings, warning indicators, color highlights, or buttons within each gallery item. You can improve user interaction by adding clickable areas, multi-select checkboxes, or fly-out menus for additional actions. Visual cues such as color changes help users quickly understand the status of each record. Example: in an inventory management app, items with low stock show a yellow warning icon inside the gallery. Clicking the icon allows the user to reorder items immediately. How do you build offline apps in Power Apps? Offline apps allow users to continue working even when they are in places without internet, such as warehouses, rural sites, or customer visit locations. The app stores necessary data on the device, such as client details, product lists, or task assignments, and continues functioning normally. When the internet connection returns, the app synchronizes the offline updates back to the main system without users needing to do anything manually. Example: delivery agents use an app that allows them to record delivery confirmations even when they are inside basements or remote areas without network coverage. At the end of the day, all data automatically syncs to the server. How do you handle relational data in Power Apps? Relational data means information is stored across multiple linked tables, allowing cleaner and more structured data management. Power Apps automatically identifies these relationships and displays lookup fields as drop-downs or pick lists that show connected data. Using relational models improves accuracy because users select from predefined values instead of typing manually. Example: in a purchase order app, selecting a supplier automatically displays the supplier's address, contact details, and terms, because all this information is stored in a related vendor table. How are media controls like camera and microphone used in Power Apps? Media controls allow users to capture photos, videos, or audio recordings directly within the app. This is extremely useful in industries where visual or audio proof is needed, such as maintenance, audits, deliveries, or field inspections. Captured media can be stored in SharePoint, Dataverse, or sent through workflows for processing or verification. Example: a maintenance engineer takes a photo of a damaged machine and attaches it to the service request. This helps the repair team understand the issue before arriving on site. How do notifications work in Power Apps? Notifications are messages that appear to guide or inform users about success, error, or completion of an action. They make the app more user-friendly by giving immediate feedback without requiring pop-up dialogues. Notifications can also be extended through Power Automate to send emails or Teams alerts for tasks needing follow-up. Example: after submitting a leave request, employees see a message confirming successful submission, and their manager receives a Teams alert asking them to review the request. What are cascading drop-downs and where are they used? Cascading drop-downs filter second-level options based on the first-level selections so that users see only relevant choices. They help prevent data entry mistakes by avoiding incorrect combinations. Useful for scenarios involving categorized or hierarchical data. Example: in a product selection screen, when a user chooses electronics in the first drop-down, the second drop-down automatically lists only electronics-related products such as mobile phones, laptops, and TVs. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, checkmark like, checkmark share, checkmark subscribe, Zoom and data. More Power Apps interview and tutorial videos coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning.